Finding the perfect pair of crafting accessories is easy and affordable when you can buy one and get another absolutely free. Let's meet our perfect pairs. Clean up every chalking project in a snap with the Fine Mist Sprayer and get a 2-pack of board erasers free. Buy our Quick Dry tool and get the fabulous Detail tool at no extra cost. Pack your supplies with ease in the heavy-duty pop-up porter tote and get a free basics bag to tote around your small accessories, absolutely free. Our exclusive chalk transfer tote is just $19.99. This month, you'll get a retired A-size transfer for free. Keep your space and surfaces clean with the self-healing work mat. Buy one in April and you'll get a paste scraper at no additional charge. These perfect pairs are matches made in heaven. They're available all month long and only while supplies last. Ask your designer for details or visit chalkator.com to get your freebies today.